So welcome to This and That. Just wanted to talk quickly about riding in heavy winds and just some tips and things I've learned over the years. So today was super windy, and for those who don't know, on a motorcycle it really blows you around. The bike's gonna dip side to side. It's gonna do what it wants to do, but just some couple things to look out for is obviously stuff coming off of cars. So today we had front air dam on a car come flying off on 95, and what you want to do too is you want to avoid the middle lanes. You want to stick far left or far right, and generally speaking the far right's worse because there's more inbound traffic coming in on on-ramps and stuff, but it depends too. You don't want to be in the left lane going slow, obviously, so something to keep in mind. But anyway, so that thing came off, and because I was in the right lane, I was able to weave into the breakdown lane and avoid running into it, right? Which that probably would have been fine, but if it was something else that blew off of someone's car, could have been really bad. So and of course too, check your six too, because I dodged that and then the guy behind me just goes right by me, right? So if I had just weaved back in, he would have nailed me. So anyways, so that's one thing. Keep your revs up and slow down too. Like I go at like 20 miles an hour slower, if it's super windy and blowing, and you can also seek a different route, so hop off the highway, hit the back roads, and cruise them instead of dealing with four lanes of traffic. And that's definitely one thing. Another thing too, full face, right? Rocks and stuff get blown around. If you have the half shield and you just got the goggles, you can get nailed. So definitely that. Also too, I don't have a windshield on this, but if you had a windshield, and even to the back rim on this is a solid wheel, and it acts like a sail. It just, if it had spokes, it would be way better with dealing with the wind, just some things I wanted to touch base on when you're dealing with heavy winds, So thanks for watching.